You have heard that people make money online. Not only are you wondering if that is true, but you are asking yourself, is this possible for me? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your first $1,150 online without spending a dime of your money. That is what I've made in the first month of me making money online. And I've started making money online since 2014. Now, I'm going to show you proof of what I've made by the end of this video. So stick around so that you can see how I've done it, various steps, and how you too can go and replicate it for your own self. Years ago, I invest several of my time trying to look for the best option to make money. I've never doubted that people can make money online, but I just didn't know how to make this money online. So I began to do a lot of research about different ways to make money, and I've seen countless of ways. I'm talking about since 2012. All of a sudden, one day I found out different ways that people are making money online, and I started to try it. After countless trials, I've been able to figure out the best way to make money online. The best way to make money online that I figured out was the fact that I noticed that when I go to different multiple platforms, people are always selling me certain kind of services. Oh, is that for me to buy a course or to buy a product, or they want to teach me something? So that was why I discovered that the first way people were making money at the time was offering services online. And that is the same thing you must do. If you want to make money online, you must learn to provide certain kind of service or value that people really need. And one of the platforms for you to go provide that particular service is no other than Fiverr and Upwork. Now, these are freelancing websites where you can go provide your services such as writing, graphic design, consulting. One of the key factors that will help you in doing this is to build a strong profile and a portfolio that will attract people who will need your services. So one way to make money online, number one, is offering services online. Now, you can online and offline service that people can literally pay you online. Whatever the case, you are still making money online. Step number two that I found people are making money online is by content monetization. You see people creating YouTube videos. They are not doing it just because they want to catch fun on YouTube. Yes, creating YouTube video like this actually is fun to me, but the fact is, by doing this, we get to create a lot of value on the internet and we get paid for it, either through YouTube AdSense or monetizing the YouTube channel in other ways, which I will explain shortly. Now, platforms like YouTube, Medium, Patreon, all these are platforms people are using to make money online, and you don't need to spend any money to do that. All you need to do is to create content, right? So you create content, and over time you get monetized and you start making money without spending a dime of your money. The name of the game is value. If you can create valuable content and create it consistently, definitely you will start making money off that content in diverse ways. That is way number two. Way number three, you can be able to start making money right now without spending a dime of your money, is by you selling a digital product. Yes, you can head on to Etsy right now or go on to Gumroad. You will see a lot of products online. People are selling digital products that will help other people solve certain kind of problem. It can be a workbook. It can just be a guide. These things are selling. Go check on Etsy. You will see it for yourself that people are selling up to a tune of $1,000 to $10,000 and above in a month, just selling their own digital product. So, and this is something you can do. Digital product can be course, ebook, printable, whatever it is. Anything that you can sell online for people to have access to digitally is a digital product. And the good thing is, if you want to start on this business, you need free tools like Canva to create everything around it, from the product itself to the marketing campaign to the graphic design you will use to market your product, and even to collect your payment. You see, all these are done all for free without spending a dime of your money. The fourth way to make money online, the fourth method I found people are really using to make money online, is by involving an online business called print on demand. Now, this is where you get to sell physical or digital products upfront, even before you deliver the physical product. Yes, you literally sell these products, and once the users pay, you can now send them the physical product after making your payment. Yes. Now, to do this, you need to use platforms like Printful, Tepring, and even Etsy, where they can get to pay you. That is how people are making money online with this method. You get to sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, posters. These platforms handle everything plus from production to shipping, and you just get to enjoy commission from your sale without you spending a dime of your money. The fifth method people are using to make money right now is through affiliate marketing. I myself, majority of my money that I make, up to 90%, is through affiliate marketing. There are different types of affiliate marketing that I've been involved in over the years, have generated me thousands of dollars. As you can see on the screenshot, I've been making money on different platforms, from ClickBank, Digistores, and even from how I've been promoting some of my mentors' course that I've been taking, and I'm making commission from all that. All that are affiliate marketing. And also, even as a corporate business owner, one of our platforms called Benefit 247, where I've been involved in digital marketing, where we get to work with hotels, tourism agencies, real estate owners to sell their services, and we are making affiliate commission from that as well. Like I said, this is where the bulk of our money comes from, over 90%. Digital marketing. Now, but if you want to start digital marketing without even doing anything, here are some platforms that you can join to start making money right now with digital marketing. You can join affiliate marketing programs through platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank. As you can see, ClickBank have made me so much money every single day. Sometimes I just wake up seeing a lot on my Pioneer account for my ClickBank affiliate sales. Now, you don't need to do anything. All you need to do is begin to create content on YouTube like this and put your affiliate link on the description concerning what you are talking about, and people will go there, they will buy, and you make commission without you spending a dime of your money. This has been the ways that I've been making bulk of my money until recently, that I started creating my own courses and have my own coaching programs on. Before now, it has always been affiliate marketing. If we're able to look at from step number 1 to step number 5, which one is okay for you to start, go start now. There is a lot of money to be made online, and we are just all getting started. One of the fastest way to start making money online right now is by you becoming a freelancer if you've got any skill. And I made a video on step by step on how to become a freelancer to start making up to $10,000 per month. Go watch that video and let's make this money together. See you in the next video.